I need a set of these center vents, but it's not what you think. And you can have them back when I'm done. Let me explain. Friday night, I opened up this 3D scanner from Creality. Since then, I've been scanning my butt off. I successfully disassembled this passenger side vent and was able to scan just the face piece. This one can totally be put back together after this scan was made. My driver's side vent has already been plastic welded back together, so the best I can do is get a facial scan. So I need one of those too, but I really need a center vent. If I can successfully disassemble one that's perfect, that would be ideal, so that's what I'm looking for. In the meantime, I'm going to be scanning everything that I've got that's in good condition. I've already got a few pieces made and fully rendered in these programs, and you can help a couple of different ways. One is to let me know in the comments what kind of parts we should make a priority, and I'll take your input into consideration. The other way you can help is to help me get my hands on the actual parts. I'm looking for good, still slightly flexible plastic that's in 100% perfect shape, ideally. A slight break here or there is okay, but we at least need the entire face to be unscratched and most of the tabs to be fully intact. This will make after touch-up and repairs on the CAD program minimal, saving me a lot of time and a better fitting part when we're done. And as I mentioned, best case scenario, no destruction of the part will occur, but if it does, I will compensate you. So I'm looking for a good center vent and a good driver side vent and other small interior pieces to start. Thanks for your interest, and follow my YouTube channel to stay updated on Project Keep the Legend Alive.